Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the language in Live Transcribe. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option accessibility. Now tap on the option hearing enhancements. Tap on this one. So in this page, you can see the first option Live Transcribe. Tap on this one. Okay. Now tap on open Live Transcribe. Then at the bottom you can see the language English. Just tap on this one. If you want to change the language, tap on this one. Then here you can see lots of language. So here I am going to select the language Hindi. Yeah, Hindi India is available. I am going to select this one. So just speak. Then you can see it is translated to Hindi. Okay, so simply in this way we can change the language in Live Transcribe. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.